Welcome to another session of Ebenezer GATE coaching classes. There is a problem that appeared in GATE 2024. It is a multiple choice question for 2 marks. Consider a unity negative feedback control system with forward path gain g of s equal to a by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3 as shown. The impulse response of the closed loop system decays faster than e power minus t if dash. There are 4 options. Let us find out what is the correct option. Now we will have to find out the impulse response of the closed system, which will decay faster than impermanence. So what do they mean by that? That means all poles of this system, all poles will have real part less than minus 1. Because if it has to decay faster than minus e power minus t, then it should be e power minus e t where a is greater than 1. So the real part should be greater than 1. Or in other words, the real part of the root should be less than minus 1. So how do you do that? So now let us write the transfer function. T of s is well known that is g of s by 1 plus g of s. So what is this transfer function is? A by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3 divided by 1 plus a by s plus 1 into s plus 2 s plus 3. So this is a divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3 plus a. So the classic equation is the characteristic equation is s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3 plus k equal to 0. Now we normally for stability we say s should lie in the left half of the s plane. The root should lie in the left half of the s plane. Here we need s to lie, s should lie on the left half of s real part of s equal to 1. That means suppose this is the 0 and draw another line here. So if it has a decay faster than e power minus t, then the root should lie here. So I make a different plane. So if s plus 1 equal to z, so if s is minus 1, z will be 0. So I'll have Another equation, I'll put s plus 1 is z. So it becomes z into z plus 1 into z plus 2 plus k equal to 0 will be the Cartesian equation. Well, let me solve this. Is z square plus 3z plus 2 into z. So z cube plus 3z square plus 2z plus k equal to 0. Now let me use the Rauter's criteria and find out what is value for which z is in the left half of the z plane. Clear? So z cube 3z squared will z. Z cube z square z power z cube 3z square z cube 3z square from z to z. Okay. So this will be 6 minus k by 3. So will be 3 into 0. 3 into 0. This will be 0. And we have to be okay. So for the system to be stable, or should be positive, there should not be any sign change. This is positive. This is positive, and k is also k greater than 0 is going to see. So 6 minus k by 3 should be greater than 0, or 6 minus k should be greater than 0, or k minus 6 should be less than 0, or k less than 6. So the condition is k should be greater than 0 and less than 6. This is the condition for it to decay faster than e power minus 2. Now let us see what are the options available. Options available are k greater than or equal to 1. So only option A matches with our answer. So the answer is choice A. Thank you. God bless you.